finally got around to working on Max. You know, I put it on wrong and then I took it off, and I had 2 extra screws, and so I'll save you all that headache. But while putting it back together, it snowed, so you'll probably see that in my videos. I got all my paddle tires out. I'm gonna put some on XRT, and I got some on Bandit with some new metal skis. Well, maybe not all metal, but better skis than I had last year on it. And then I thought these could go on something else, these tires, but I was working on Max and I guess I got carried away. Let's just see what happens though. Take a look at what it looks like now with these paddle tires. It's a little big. I had to replace the bulkhead. I guess it's called bulkhead. I don't know what the heck it is. Okay, these are the original tires. So the front ones look pretty good. But the back ones, it's a lot bigger. I think it's going to kind of go crazy. Probably going to fly, do wheelies all the time. I was going to put some duct tape or maybe some black tape on this. What do you think? Oh, yeah, made it worse. I'll just put a little tape on it. Okay, let's take it out and see what happens. What do you think? Good as new, right? It's all one piece again. Good to go.